Today we start while loop. While loop is used for repeatedly executing a target condition up to given condition will not false. That is, suppose syntax of a while loop is while we give here a condition, that is I will create a one program that is printing a 1 to 10 natural numbers. If this condition is true, statement or a compiler will go to the next statement. This is the syntax of the while loop. And the flow chart, that is, suppose here we give here a condition, there are two arrows, that is for true condition and false condition. Okay, if this condition will true, controller will go to the next statement, whatever we give there, that is even number, odd number, or 1 to 10 natural numbers, or other program. If this condition will false, compiler go to the next statement or stop the program. Okay, this is the syntax and flowchart of the while loop. I will do here one program manually, that is printing the first and natural number. We starting from header file. I told you in previous program use of what is the standard stdio.h. After that, void main. Opening void main is the inbuilt function. Opening curly bracket. We print here first and natural numbers. For that, we take one variable, that is integer n, starting from 1. Because natural numbers we starting from 1, so we here write here n is equal to 1. This is called as a initialization. Suppose we give here some number, or initialize some number, or assign some number, that is called as a initialization. Suppose we starting from 0, then we write here 0. Suppose we have to starting from 1, then we write 1 here. Okay, after that, while condition will start from here, we have to printing the first and natural numbers from 1 to 10. So we write here condition while n include one number. Okay, and we have to go to up to 10 numbers. So we write here n is less than equal to 10. N include 1, 1 is less than equal to 10, condition is right. Okay, we go to the next statement. We have to print a value of n, that is 1. We write printf. In printf, slash n we give here, because slash n is used for new lines, and %d will print here. %d means a number, that is 1 2 3 4 we have to print, and number will including in n variable, and we print here %d, and %d is include in n, then we print here n. But n include only one number, that is 1. We have to print 2 3 4 5 up to 10 numbers. For that, we have to increasing the value of n. We write for that n plus plus. N plus plus will value increment the value of n by 1, or we also write n is equal to n plus 1. We write this or this condition. The which condition will you have to use easily, or you have to simple use may have you to like which conditions, this or this condition, you use anyone from these two conditions. Okay, you can use n plus plus or n is equal to n plus 1. Okay, these both conditions are used for incrementing value of n by 1. Okay, after that, condition n plus plus means value of n is increasing by 1, that is 2. After compiler, here I close the curly bracket of while and close the curly bracket of void main. here two closing curly bracket, that is first is a while and second is void main. Here value of n will incremented by 1. Compiler will go to the condition. Now value of n is 2. 2 is less than equal to 10. Condition also second time true will print 2 here. After again n plus plus, that is incremented by 1, 3. Again will condition check compiler. 3 is less than equal to 10. Again 3 print. Up to here loop will go to the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 also less than equal to 10 or 10 will print here. And 10 plus plus, what answer will get? 11. And 11 is less than equal to 10 is condition false. Compiler will go to the out of from loop and print only values 1 to 10. Here program is natural numbers 1 to 10. You can print odd numbers or even numbers, 0 to 1 to 10, 1 to 20. Okay, this is the simple program of printing natural numbers from 1 to 10. Okay, I will this explain program in practically, that is on C editor. Now I explaining this program practically, that is printing the values of n or natural numbers from 1 to 10. Here starting from header file stdio.h. After that void main. Every program execution starts from main function. N integer n variable I take here. Initialize by 1 and condition is n less than equal to 10. Printing the values of n from 1 to 10. So I give here condition n is less than equal to 10. Value of n, starting value of n, that is 1. 1 is less than equal to 10. Condition is true. Compiler will enter into loop and printing the values of n, that is printf. I take here printf and printf is equal to /n%d(n). Value of n increasing by 1. So I write here n plus plus. Starting value of n, that is 1. And incremented by 1, that is 2. Compiler will check the incrementing values of n, that is 2. 2 is less than equal to 10 and print the values of n, that is 2 here. Again values increase n plus plus, that is 3. 3 is less than equal to 10. Condition will check and values of n, that is 3, will print here. This condition will repeated up to this condition, n is less than equal to 10 will not false. Last value of n, that is 10. 10 is less than equal to 10. We'll check here. Condition is true. 10 is print here. And value of n plus plus means 11. And 11 less than equal to 10 is condition false. 11 will not print here. Compiler will go to out of loop. I /n used here. /n is used here because value of n, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 will print new line. That is 1, printing 1, after that below that 2, below that 3, below that 4 will print up to 10. For that /n is used here. /n is for new line. Okay, I hope you understand this program. Thank you.